Hello. My name is Regan from the Native Skaters. I'm joined with...
My name is Simon.
Simon
From KU Super Skater.
KU Super Skater. So today we are here in skate park and he'll be showing us some of the way to stroke. Easy stroke, how to stroke on skates.
Especially T-break.
And the one called lemon.
Lemon.
So if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. And if you are a returning viewer, we thank you for always coming back.
We're going to do the first stopping method, and it is called the T-break.
In the T-break, basically you try to form your skate in a T position. One skate in front, the other one in the back.
And you start dragging your feet slowly. You don't apply much pressure in the beginning.
Yeah. So at first it will be like an L, but with time it will just form a T shape. So the next one is called a lemon. You form a lemon while skating and it helps you stop. Sawa. So those were the two ways to stop in skate. It's called a lemon. The lemon one I think is much easier than the other one, but with time it gets better. So you just draw a lemon, but on skate. You draw a lemon on skate.
And we have also added the lemon and then going backward.
Yeah.
Which is more of advanced. So if you're not good at that, don't do it at home until you learn it well.
So the back lemon, you only do it if you know how to skate backwards. And that's how you stop going backwards. And the other one is called a lemon. So just draw the lemon and make a T. Sawa. Sawa. So this is the end of this tutorial. Every single week we'll be dropping one video of
how to stop, how to do various tricks, how to spin. You can do how to spin, you can do. And if you have anything you want us to do, you can just comment us, and then you can just let us know and we can do it. For you.
Just for you. So comment down below what you want us to do for you next. Peace.